what is better than knitting and sitting? It's fit knitting. So what I came up with is exercises you can do without putting down your knitting. So you have no excuse not to do your exercises. I'm watching. Yeah. You know, when I'm knitting, I'm sitting. And maybe some of you walk while knitting. Cool, I should start that too. But usually when I walk, I have a lot of bags with me and things to run to, and then I never walk when I knit. But when I'm knitting and sitting too much, I don't get the exercise in. I should get in daily, so should you, because especially when you get older, you have to exercise. You have to, because otherwise everything goes downwards. Anyway, so knitters, I think, would rather knit than exercise. Who wouldn't? And, oh wait, look here, I have to go stitch back because I'm in the arm and I'm decreasing on this round, I think. Do I decrease? Yes. So I found a way to exercise and knit at the same time. And that gives me no excuse to not exercise. I didn't find a way to exercise the arms with knitting yet. Maybe you have an idea. Please comment below if you have an idea of how to arm exercise and knit. Oh, I just had one. I just had an idea. I'll bring it. I'll make a video about it. But I know how to exercise my core and my legs and my butt while knitting, and I want to share this with you, and want to just do this introduction to it first so you understand everything I want to tell you. I really hope you try it out because it makes a huge difference, especially if you do it every day, consistently, every day, at least 10 minutes. Better would be every day 20 minutes or half an hour. And the fun part is that not only you get fitter doing it consistently, but you will have something done for yourself. So what I'm saying is, when you fit knit, you knit something simple, like a simple scarf or arm warmers, or socks that are not complicated and fancy with braids and lace and color changes and patterns and stuff. So just knit simple socks or arm warmers in the round, stockinette stitch, and knit it for yourself, because you don't have to impress yourself with the knitting. You know all the things you can do. You don't have to show it to yourself, so keep the fancy things for other ones, but fit knit for yourself. Soon you will have your whole drawer full of nice, colorful socks in the whole rainbow. You can add some glitter if you like, it makes it a little fancier. But yeah, so fit knit your own socks. Don't give them away, because if you're like me, I give always away my knitting, and at the end I'm left with, you know, simple cotton socks. But I want wool socks for myself, so fit knit them. They're yours. Yes, your own socks. What I'm doing in this selection of videos is just showing simple techniques on how to exercise, and also switch them up a bit, so you don't have to do every day the same thing. But what I don't add is music, not because I don't like music. I love music. I actually used to be a musician. I used to be a drummer for a long time. And I love music, but I like my own music. You know, I don't want to listen to the music that whoever plays it tells me to listen to. I want to listen to the music that I want in the moment. Sometimes it's something soft or something groovy, funk, rock, jazz, classical, Prokofiev, or some salsa or Brazilian or, you know, whatever music is out there, depending on the day and the mood. So I won't put music in my exercise videos. I just put the beep that tells you when the exercise changes. And that way you can concentrate on your knitting, and you hear the beep, you look to the screen real quick, you see the new exercise, and you go back to your knitting. And the next beep, you check out the next exercise. And yeah, that's basically how it's done. Yeah. The reason why I advise you not to knit sweaters is, while you fit knit, is if you are in an exercise, you know, that you have to hold yourself up like you're sitting on a chair, but you're actually not. And then also there is a sweater pulling, then it's kind of annoying. Knit something small. Socks are perfect, or arm warmers. Please do it. It will change your life, really, because it's not boring to exercise when you knit. You won't even think about the exercising because you do what you love doing it. And you have a result, you know. So I won't be talking only about fit knitting, obviously, you know. I also spin. It's my spinning wheel. Did this. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And it smells like lavender, because I store my spun wool, you know, with lavender bags, then they smell good. Thank you very much for watching. I'm so excited to go through this exercise journey with you. If you want to watch those fit knit videos, please check it out. Here they are. I'm so happy. So happy to share this with you. Seriously, I wanted to do this for such a long time, and I finally am starting this. It's awesome.